Hey, this is Tyler 4K Equipment, and today I want to be showing you how to use the Auto-Topo function on Topcon Pocket 3D. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to Survey right here. Then we're going to go to the Auto-Topo function. And the first option here is by distance. So we're going to select this. And basically, there's going to be a minimum distance. I'm going to be using 10 feet or putting 10 feet in there. So every 10 feet, it's going to mark a point. You can do less or more if you want to. Then I'm also just going to be going off check distance to all points. You can do check distance to last point if you want. Then I'm going to add it to my points layer. Point description, I'm going to have none. Then you can also assign point numbers for each point, but I'm not going to be doing that. So I'm just going to tap start right here. So it's going to shoot a point exactly where I'm at. Then now every 10 feet I move, it's going to shoot a point. So as you can see, it shot another point. Then we'll let it shoot one more. Okay. So now any 10 feet we move, it's going to shoot in any direction we go. So if we even went over here, it's going to shoot a point over here. That's 10 feet. So I'm going to stop the Auto-Topo. Then we'll move on to our next function. So if we go on here, we can also do by time. So if I go here and do 5 seconds, then do the layer, and then if you want to do description. So if you press start right here, it's going to shoot. So however fast and slow I move, it doesn't matter. It's just every 5 seconds. So say I want to move fast, it's going to shoot a point way over here. Then if I stop right here, go closer, it's going to shoot a point right there. But we're going to stop this. That's if you want to use it by time. Then we can go back to the Auto-Topo. And the third one right here is going to be by elevation. If you select that, it's going to say a minimum elevation difference, and you can input a number if you want into there. I'm actually not going to be doing this because I'm on an emulator, but you can use this function right here. Now I'm going to go to Survey, Auto-Topo, and I'm going to do polyline. So basically it's going to shoot a line every 10 feet. So if I press start right here, also I'm just going to add it to my layers line. If you don't have a layer or anything to add it to, that's just fine. So I'm going to press start. I'm just going to start going around here, and it's going to shoot a line every 10 feet. So yeah, this is a pretty simple way to shoot lines right here. Then we can stop the Auto-Topo, which basically will just stop the lines from right here. Or if I want to close it, basically it'll close from this point all the way over here. But if I don't want to close it, I just tap stop Auto-Topo. I'll show you what it does when it closes it. So when it closes it, it does that. If I didn't close it, it would not put this line here. Then let's say you accidentally marked too many points, or you want to delete some points out of here. What you can do is click this guy right here, and basically you can select, say, like these lines. But as you can see here, I selected this one right here, and I don't want to delete this one. So what I can do is just clear selection, and say you want to get pretty specific without, and you can't, it's hard not to click on that. What you can do is just click this this guy right here, and basically select points and stuff that you want to select, and just close it. Now if you hold down and you click, you can do line work, and you can tap delete and delete polylines, and that's going to delete all your line work right there. Then let's say just these are easy to select right here. We can just select them. Then we can go to points, delete, and delete all that. But yeah, that's how you use the Auto-Topo function, and that's how you delete any of those points or anything if you want to. And yeah, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching.